Today we're looking at how to use a national day to raise engagement on a cause. What these guys have done, so this is the British Bobsleigh and Skeleton team, and that's their official Facebook page. And what they've done is in support of, they're supporting the UK anti-doping hashtag Clean Sports Week, and so are their athletes. And what they've done is they've created a little video from one of their athletes around why she believes that it is a really important cause. Now, obviously, it is the UK anti-doping, so it's part of, it's a national commission, if you like. However, what they've done is use the hashtag Clean Sports Week. So I guess it's, it's a national hashtag, or it could be international, I guess, for anybody who wants to use it, and that could come under any sport. So they basically linked up with the anti-doping. They've linked up with the national campaign, and then they have used it to basically show a real support. They've shown through video contact, through a video, that this is something they believe in. So let's take a look. So as you can see, this is them very much showing an awareness campaign around, how much they do, how much they look after themselves, and indeed the importance of making sure that they fuel themselves with the right things and take nothing accidentally. And ultimately, it's about showing, how much hard work goes into being an athlete. Equally, it is supporting a national campaign which is all about having a clean sport. So I think anybody can take some inspiration from this, because ultimately, if you've got a national hashtag or a national campaign that you want to support, then you can actually get your team involved. You can actually get your people involved and talk about why it is important to you. And I think that is why that would 100% get across in comparison to if they just did some kind of, like an actual ad or something like that. This is about a real person talking about the real sport with the real team in the background. Now, if I was the British Bobsleigh Skeleton team, I would want to make sure that I had all of my calendar all booked in. So I would want to make sure that I had everything scheduled. And one of the easiest ways of doing that is going to Maybe going to content calendar. And here you can see, so in all the colors, you would see all of their content that they'd already scheduled in. But then they can also see now things like national days. They could see that upcoming would say anything in these little red lines are the national days that are coming up. And they might think, do you know what, I would love to talk about, I don't know, World Oceans Day. I didn't know that was tomorrow. I can then quickly create a post. I can literally create a post in Side Content Calendar. And I can even, if I don't know what to talk about, I can even use the AI system within Maybe to literally write, I want to do a post about World Oceans Day, and then it can help them create a post around it. They can add in the image, and then they've got a brand new national campaign that they're supporting that they weren't even sure of, and it's all because they went into their content calendar. So it's all about just making life a lot easier for them generally. Now, as always, if you've got any questions at all, click on the little blue button. We love to help.